Why do 80% of home bakers swear by this chocolate cake recipe? Stick around and find out. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. Here's what you'll need for the cake. All-purpose flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, baking soda, salt, sugar, eggs, whole milk, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and boiling water. And for that luscious frosting, softened unsalted butter, powdered sugar, unsweetened cocoa powder, salt, heavy cream, and vanilla extract. Alright, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. In a big bowl, sift together the dry ingredients: flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Now, in another bowl, whisk together the sugar, eggs, milk, oil, and vanilla extract until smooth. Gradually mix the wet ingredients into the dry mix. Finally, stir in that boiling water. Don't worry if the batter seems thin. It's supposed to be that way. Pour the batter evenly into your prepped pans and bake for 30-35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cakes cool for 10 minutes before moving them to a wire rack to cool completely. While they're cooling, let's whip up the frosting. Beat the softened butter until it's creamy. Gradually add the powdered sugar, cocoa powder, and salt, mixing on low speed until combined. Then add the heavy cream and vanilla extract. Beat until the frosting is fluffy and spreadable. Now, the fun part, assembling. Place one cake layer on a serving plate and spread frosting on top. Place the second layer on top and frost the entire cake. Go ahead, get creative with decorations. Chocolate shavings, sprinkles, or fresh fruit, anything goes. And there you have it, a moist, delicious, and super easy chocolate cake. Enjoy every bite and don't forget to share your creations with us. Happy baking!